Are you constantly bombarded with articles, advice, and videos telling you about how you're going to achieve success in your life? Are you struggling with learning or staying organized at home? Have you heard of the power of habits and how to make them work for you? Let me introduce you to Ahnaf Rahman, an IB diploma scholar at Fairview International School.
As an IB diploma graduate, I always analyze the advice given to me, research about them, before deciding if it is worth investing my time and effort to try it. After many experiments, I can comfortably say I have 5 top habits that have worked for me, and I will be sharing them with you. I scored 45 out of 45, which was the perfect score in the recent IB diploma examinations. I'm also a recipient of the Pearson Scholarship from the University of Toronto. At my webinar, I'm going to share with you my top 5 habits that helped me achieve my version of success. As a busy student, I need to make sure my time is spent efficiently and effectively. Habits prove to be the answer to this. By incorporating certain practices in my life, I'm able to master any task almost without thinking.
Join us at our webinar where Ahnaf is going to share with you his top 5 habits that totally changed his life.